Is continuing our team coverage. He is in South Mobile County this morning, and I understand you've moved locations this morning, Chad.
Yeah, you mentioned going to higher ground, and we were previously at Jefferson's Bait and Tackle north of the Dauphin Island Bridge. We thought that would be a safe location. It was until it wasn't. We started noticing some really rapid flooding around the parking lot and knew we had to leave. So we are 8 miles north of our previous location, north of Fowl River this morning. But what we're seeing here at this spot, at this gas station that appears to be closed, is really less intense wind and rain right now, but certainly the same effects are in play here. The possibility of some low-lying flooding and other effects from the wind as we expect conditions to deteriorate as we go on. That was just one thing that was consistent from the 8-mile drive, is that wind and rain were pretty much the only things we were facing right there. But it is a reminder that even though you might think you're in a safe spot right then and there, conditions can change very quickly. It's also before dawn, not a time where we want to be taking any chances because it's too dark to really get a good idea of how the conditions are and how severe the flooding is right now. We just don't know that right now, but we knew it wasn't safe for us where we were, so we just decided to move a little bit further north. If we have to move again, we will. We want you guys also to keep in mind those conditions around where you are as we go on throughout the next 36 hours or so. Reporting live along Dauphin Island Parkway, Chad Petrie, WKRG News 5.